Okay, hello again, everyone, and welcome back. I hope everybody's doing well. Let me just say, in regards to the test, some of you turned in some tests late, and I'll get to them in the morning, I promise. I tried them this weekend, and it just didn't work out. But let me just say also that there will be a day this week where I show you my work from the test, okay? And those of you who have to retest, we're going to do that at a later time, okay? So make sure you watch the videos so I give you that opportunity, okay? So look up here and pay attention. There's like 7 steps to factoring. Say that again. 7. Let's take a look here and watch carefully. So you just say once we're very really, you submit work that it's very clear. Some okay, so stay with me. Pay attention, okay? So here we go. First of all, you got to bring in, circle it.
Gotta ask yourself, do they both have a 2? Like I see a 2 here, but I don't see a 2 there. Do they both have a 5? Yes. This one has a 5, this one has a 5. I see 2 5s, but they only have one and take one out. So the greatest common factor is one answer here is the GCF is 5. That's all they have. They have a 2 has a 2, but this one doesn't have a 2. 7, but this one does 7. The thing they have in common is stay with, okay? 16 and 24 this week software done. I requested it twice. This up, look, 10. What I do on this one? Times 12, 2 times 6, 2 3, circle all of this. Now look at these numbers. If these numbers are not prime, then like if you circle that 6, that 6 is a composite number, okay? The only thing that should be is to understand what I just said. Let's see what they have in common. 1, 2, they have another 2, and they have another 2. They have 3 2's in common. So you're going to take out 3 2's. So 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8, so the greatest common factor is 8. You can check your answers because this worksheet today. Let me show you how to do this bottom piece. Okay? So put 6x plus 3. Now break this up. 3 is 6, and then bring down the x. Circle it. This one right here is only 3, so bring the 3 down. The only thing they have in common is a 3, so circle the 3. Okay? We're going to take out, put the 3 on the greatest common factor. So it's so there's you take every nothing, you put a 1 as a place value. I'm going to say that again. If you take it all out, you have 1. Say that to yourself and write it down. Alright, let's look at the next one. 12x squared minus 9x plus 15. So you break it down. 2 times 6, and then x times x. Okay, same thing that I taught you. This one is 3 times 3, and then an x. This one is 3 times 5. Now, you circle what they have in common. This one has a 3, this one has a 3, this one has a 3. So you're going to take a 3 out. Do they have anything else in common? Like this one has an x, this one has an x, but this one doesn't. They all have to have the same thing. They do not have a 2. They do not have any more 3s. They don't have a 5. So that's it. That's all you can do on this one. So on this one right here, watch. Put equals, take the 3 out. There's my 3 right here. So if I take the 3 out of here, I'm left with this. What's 2 times 2? 4. And x times x is x squared. So put 4x squared and then a minus. You took the 3 out, so you're left with 3x. And then here you took the 3 out, you're left with 5. So put a plus 5. Now here's how you check it. Watch. What's 3 times 4? 12. What's 3 times 3? 9. What's 3 times 5? 15. That's your answer right here. This is called factoring by using the greatest common factor. The last one. Let me get another sheet of paper. Watch. Okay, you know how I hate torn out paper, but I wanted to show you this. So watch. Start off with 2's. 2 times 9 is 18, and then 3 times 3. You have 2 m's, and you got 4 n's. That's prime factorization. Watch this one. This one's 2 times 6, 2 times 3, and then n. Circle it. And then finally the last one is 2 times 12, 2 times 6, 2 times 3, m, and n. See how you have 2 n's? Okay, now watch what they have in common. They all have a 2. So circle the 2, take a 2 out. They all have a 3. Circle the 3. It's kind of like a little game here. Circle the 3. Okay, now what else do they have? They don't have any more 2's. They don't have any more 3's. Now look at the m's. This one's got m's. This one has m's, but this one doesn't. So you can't take any m's out. This one's got 2 n's. So we're going to take out 2 n's. So circle 2 of them. Put out n squared. 2 n's. N times n. So your greatest common factor is 6n squared. Put it, greatest common factor. Now let's write what's left. Well, here you took the 2 out, you took the 3 out, so you took out the n's, 2 of them. So you're left with 3m squared and then n squared. Okay? Your middle sign here is a minus, so put a minus. Here you took out the 2 and the 3, so you're left with n's. So you're left with 2n. Okay, anything that's not circled has to go back in. And then here you have a plus, so put a plus. And then here you took out the 2, the 3, and 2n. So you're left with 2 times 2 is 4m squared. And that should be the answer that they have on the sheet. M times n is m squared.
I want you to do two things. I want you to do from this worksheet, I want you to do number 1 and number 2. Only those two sections. The answers are there, so check your work, okay? So I apologize if the video was choppy, but you have to hang in there. All right, well, this concludes it. I hope you understand what you're doing because this is going to help you in Algebra 2. Have a good day, and I hope you guys did something nice for your mom, so I look forward to reading those tomorrow, okay? All right, so have a good day.